BabyDan Deluxe Travel Cot comes with an integrated 5cm extra thick comfortable mattress. This travel cot was designed in conjunction with Safetots as we wanted to ensure that your child has a comfortable mattress, and we also avoid the need for buying an additional mattress, which is quite often the case on standard travel cots that come with extra thin mattresses. The travel cot comes with a carry bag, and inside the carry bag you'll find the instructions, the travel cot and the mattress. The travel cot is easy to put up and is fast folding. We start by removing the extra thick mattress, and you'll notice on the extra thick mattress it comes with all the relevant warning signs, and it also comes with a warning of not to stack mattresses. So if you did buy a thin mattress travel cot and you were tempted to buy an additional mattress, the safety standards advise against that. To assemble your BabyDan Deluxe Travel Cot with the 5cm mattress, we open up the travel cot, and you'll see at the bottom here, and there's one in the middle of each side, it's a release mechanism which has a button underneath. The button releases it to fold, but also when you pull it up, it locks into position so this side's solid. We follow this round all four sides, and then to finish the installation we just push down on the central section and the travel cot locks into position. We can then take our deluxe 5cm mattress, place into the travel cot, and the travel cot is now ready to use.